Hello kids, my name is Hema Nagpal. Today I am going to teach you about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are doing words or action words which say something about what a person or thing does. For example, a girl is dancing, a boy is running. Two boys and a dog are pulling something. A girl is jumping. In all these sentences, dancing, running, pulling and jumping are the actions performed by them. Let's understand about verbs with the help of a poem. Three Little Mice and Miss Pussy. Three little mice sat down to spin. Pussy came by and she peeped in. What are you doing, my little man? We are making coats for gentlemen. In first sentence, sat is showing the state of mice. Came and peep are the actions, what Pussy is doing. In third and fourth sentence, doing and making are also action words. May I come in and cut off your threads? No, no, Miss Pussy, you would bite off our heads. Said Pussy, you look so very nice. I like your whiskers and bright black eyes. In these sentences, come, bite, look and like are action words, means verbs. They show us about the actions performed. Here are a few exercises for you through which we will revise what we have learned. In sentence 1, the doctor examined the patient. So what action is performed by the doctor? Examined. Sentence 2. Children love to watch cartoons. Action performed by children are love. The peahen shook its feather. Shook is the past form of verb shake. In sentence 4, my aunt cooks delicious food. What aunt does? She cooks. Seema dived into the pool. The prince mounted the horse. Dived and mounted are also verbs. Here comes the next exercise for you. You have to read the sentence and tick the correct verbs according to nouns. Boats swim, fly or sail on water. Correct answer is sail. Boats sail on water. The girl dances, draws or cooks a picture. Answer is draws. The girl draws a picture. The bell talks, rings or dances. The answer is rings. The bell rings. The camel can give, take or carry a heavy load. Correct answer is carry. The camel can carry a heavy load. The baby eats or drinks milk. The baby drinks milk. Correct answer is drinks. Hey, we have a story too. Let's find more verbs in this story. Today is Jimmy's birthday. He is celebrating it at home. He invited his friends and relatives. His friend Jia gifted him a pen. He lives in Delhi. He loves reading books and writes stories. He sings very well too. Jia dances gracefully. He and his friends enjoyed the party. At last, Jimmy gave return gifts to all his friends. In this story, all the highlighted words are verbs. Children, till now you have understood the action words or verbs that are also called main verbs. Now we will talk about helping verbs. Helping verbs like is, are, am, has, have, was and were that act as helping words to verbs are called helping verbs. For example, it is a beautiful dress. They have eaten my lunch. He was driving the car. In these sentences, is, have and was are helping verbs. Let's do this exercise. Complete the sentences with the helping verbs. First, Mitesh dash running across the field. Second, the boys dash going to attend the school function. We dash swimming with the fish. Jenny dash sitting behind me. I dash laughing at his jokes. Children, you have to fill these blanks with the help of is, am or are. You will get the answers on the next slide. Here are the answers for you. Mitesh is running across the field. The boys are going to attend the school function. We are swimming with the fish. Jenny is sitting behind me. I am laughing at his jokes. Is, are and am are helping words. Here we have some words and we have to draw a circle around the verbs only. Let's do it yourself and you will get the answers on next slide. Children, I hope you understood what are verbs and enjoyed the session. We will meet again soon. Thank you.